Okay, so guys, I've now cleaned the car. It took me ages. It's gone dark, but I'm still going to carry on doing the mods. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so these are the stickers. Well, there's two of the same one. But yeah, so they stick like from the back, so I'll stick them on top of the sun strip and one on the back window. And this is the little thing that I put in the back of the. I put this in the back of the window for the wiper delete, and then this is just a little bit of glue that we'll stick it on with. So yeah, let's get around to doing that. It is pitch black outside, so we will be struggling for light for this, but I will open the garage door and have the garage lights on, and hopefully it should be bright enough to see. So yeah, let's get started. So this is what we're dealing with right now. These are the stickers. It is raining, and I know I shouldn't apply stickers in the rain, but we're going to send it anyway. Hopefully it works. Yeah, so we're going to peel the back off this and get sticking.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
You fucking got it on, man. Right, so as you can see, we've stuck it on. I'm going to leave it for like the adhesive to set in. Hopefully it does, and it doesn't all just peel off with the front tape stuff. So yeah, hopefully it comes off. I might apply a bit of heat on it in a minute and see what happens. But yeah, hopefully we can get that bit of tape off and the sticker stays on. And then we'll spin the car around, get the back in the light, stick the back sticker on, and do the wiper delete. So yeah, I'm not sure what you guys like, if you like it straight or not, but I feel like that is the best because it like follows perfectly with the line along the sun strip. So yeah, people think it looks wonky, but I really couldn't care less. It's above my head, which is exactly where I wanted it, because obviously it's my channel. So yeah, let's hope it comes off. Sorry guys, didn't have the flash on then, but yeah, as you can see it's coming off. I'm taking it really steady, ensuring none of the other stickers, like none of the stickers come off with the tape, but it is going pretty well so far. Oh, see what I mean, like that little bit of haze pulling away there. Just press it down with your finger, and then once the tape's fully off, it just add a bit of pressure to it and finish it off. And there you have it, like. It's only subtle, but it looks, oh my gosh, I really like that. Yeah, I really like that. This makes the car look a whole lot better. Just customizes it to the max. It's sick, that is. Oh yeah, I'm happy with that. So guys, I'm so proud of that. I think it looks really sick. Yeah, so let's spin it round, do the other side. But yeah, that looks so good. I'm so glad I've done that. It matches the calipers. I'm also going to be doing some engine bay work with a bit of purple in, so it's just going to add a little nice accent colour to the car. So yeah, let's get going on the back window. Yeah, so I'm going to do this one at the top, guys, as you can just tell. So I've got to re-clean the glass. So then, guys, now we're going to be doing the wiper delete. So to do this, you've got to pop open that. And you need, I think it's a 10mm or a 13mm on that. You unscrew that, and then you'll need a flathead just to get in this gap just to pop the wiper off. So I'll get the 10mm now and start unscrewing it, and then I'll show you what I mean with the screwdriver. Okay, so once you've got that 13mm nut off, basically because this bit's metal, the thread, and this part of the wiper's metal, they fuse together over time. So what you want to do, see the little gap just between there and there, you want to get your flathead in there and twist it. Just like in between the gap, like the wiper and the bung, you want to get it in that gap and twist it, and it should break the seal between the two pieces of metal, and then you should be able to just wiggle it off. So I'm going to give that a go now. As you can see, I've peeled the backing tape off the sticker. I think I prefer the front one, however I do like this one. I should have put it a bit more to the right, but I ain't too bothered about that. It looks pretty good. But yeah, back on the wiper, I've pulled it off. It did take a bit of fiddling, you've just got to kind of yank it off really. But yeah, this is what I mean by it fusing. See how it's all like horrible around here? That's all this horribleness around here, that's all like the metal that's like fused together. But yeah, anyway, next thing you got to do is open your boot. I got a load of shit in my boot. You've got to open this where your emergency triangle will be, and there's two T20 nuts there, and then also there's some in the handles there, and you want to just unscrew all them and then pop your boot plastics out. So yeah, I'll get unscrewing them, and then I'll video myself popping the plastics off, and then I'll show you what to do after that. Okay then, guys, so you want to get it by the handle, and it pops off. Apparently, pretty easily. Just want to make sure you don't snap any clips, like, but mine just come off, so. You just have to like unhook it from in this one, and at the same on the other side, obviously, like that, and just bring it down. And once you've got, there we are, and there's a long nasty hair in there, but yeah, once you take that off, and then you want to get a 10mm socket, and there's three 10mm bolts to unscrew. I know these ones, then three to unscrew, and then that's the wiper motor. You pull that off, and then you remove the rubber bung, and then that's that. First though, you want to remove the electrical connector and just tuck it up so it's out of the way, never to be used again really. So yeah, I'll get the 10mm spanner now and whack it on. So as you can see, I've unscrewed them three bolts now, they're in my hand. Put them in the box, and there's the wiper motor and the hole through the glass. That's what you're going to remove next, that little rubber bung, and then stick your new piece in, which is somewhere here, over there on the box. So then guys, sorry I'm back in my room, but I've lost some footage or didn't film. But basically, with that little black circle thing that you put in the back of the window, it comes with some like sealant. You stick it around the edge of the circle and literally just press it up, put some tape on, leave it to dry, and then once it's dry you can take the tape off, and it'll just stay on, and then you can refit all the plastics back in your boot, and that's it. Once all that's fitted, you're done, and that's the wiper delete finished. But yeah, so I'm just going to go back to me fitting the plastics back in, and then I'll show you what it all looks like when it's done. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. As you can see, it's raining, but yeah, that's it for today's video. And as you can see, it's looking all smooth here now. Gourl's Garage sticker looking hard. And then obviously we've got the Gourl's Garage sticker on the front, which also looks sick. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. There's a little sneak peek at the end of this video. Comment if you see it, and I'll see you in the next one.